Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of life before birth? It's a story more amazing than any movie, and it all starts with a single moment of connection. Let's travel back to the very beginning. It starts with fertilization, the magical meeting of two cells, the sperm and the egg. Out of millions of contenders, only one sperm succeeds in this incredible race. When it unites with the egg, a brand new, unique genetic code is created. This single cell, called a zygote, holds the complete blueprint for a human being. Everything from eye color to personality traits. Within hours, this zygote begins to divide, doubling its cells over and over. It becomes a tiny cluster of cells called a blast. This little ball of life then embarks on its first big journey, traveling down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. Once it arrives, it nestles into the uterine wall in a process called implantation. This is a crucial step, establishing a connection that will provide nourishment for the months to come. Now we enter the embryonic stage. This is where the real construction begins. The cells start to specialize, forming three distinct layers. One layer will become the brain, nervous system, and skin. Another will form the circulatory system, muscles, and bones. And the third will develop into the digestive system, lungs, and other internal organs. It's an astonishingly organized process. By just 3 weeks, the heart begins to take shape and starts beating, pumping, life-sustaining blood. Soon after, tiny buds appear that will eventually grow into arms and legs. The face begins to form, with dark spots where the eyes will be and small pits for the ears. All of this is happening when the embryo is still smaller than a grain of rice. It's a testament to the sheer power of nature's design. Around the 8th week, the embryonic period ends and the fetal stage begins. The developing baby is now called a fetus. Most of the major organs are already in place, and the focus shifts to growth and refinement. The fetus starts to look more and more like a tiny human. Fingers and toes become distinct, and even tiny fingernails start to grow. The second trimester, from week 13 to 27, is a period of rapid growth. The fetus can now move, stretch, and even kick. You might be surprised to know they can also hear sounds from the outside world, like their mother's voice and music. Their brain is developing at an incredible pace, forming billions of neurons. They learn to swallow and can even get the hiccups. Ultrasounds during this time often capture incredible moments, showing a glimpse of the little person getting ready to meet the world. As we enter the 3rd trimester, the fetus is getting ready for birth. They're gaining weight and their lungs are maturing, preparing for their first breath of air. They can open and close their eyes, responding to light. They are practicing breathing movements by inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid. In these final weeks, the fetus settles into position, usually head down, preparing for the journey into the world. From a single cell to a fully formed baby, this 9-month journey is nothing short of a miracle. It's a complex, beautifully orchestrated dance of biology, genetics, and timing. Each stage is a marvel of development, building upon the last to create a unique and precious human life. It reminds us just how incredible and resilient life truly is. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing journey through fetal development. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our world. See you next time.